mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob. Put that shit on the mob.
Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, young DaveyMcFlyy. Two Wise checking in, about to show y'all some fire, broski. One time for the one time. We got mail call, big old mail call from the sneakers app, and I hit for me and Rooster. So I'm super excited about this, super duper excited about this. Make sure all my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members like, bruh, go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, smash out on that like button. I appreciate you. Put that nigga ass in the dirt. I definitely appreciate you. Let's get into it, bro. Mail call, big dog. Y'all gonna see what we went for. The Chateau MAISON Rouge Air Jordan 2s. Man, if y'all remember, I don't know if y'all remember or not, but I made a news update when it just dropped on the sneaker. Like, yeah, I had to have these, absolute must have on this pair. I don't know if y'all remember that or not, but yeah, we dropped that, and I'm just happy I got young Roosty in the game too. Oh, and the kiddos box is dope. Check it out, bruh. Check it out. That's too clean. Let y'all see all that. United Youth International. Check that out. Top of the box. Well, yeah. Pretty cool, bro. Pretty cool. Y'all see that? Go to the bottom. Yeah, man. What it say? Air Jordan 2 Retro SP Cell Citron Pulse Orange. Cool stuff on that, bruh. Pretty cool stuff on that. Let's open her up and see what we got, man. Oh, look at the paper. Hey, they treated the grade schools right. They even got the kids right with the paper and all, bruh. This pretty hard. This pretty hard. Ooh, I'm excited to see what the grown-ups pair gonna come like. And they came with extra laces, so yeah, let's grab this pair with the extra lace bag. Oh, me and Rooster finna be killing it. Check out the bag, bro. Check out the bag. These hard Rooster gonna be stepping in these joints. Check the bottom. Bottom nice, dope. Real clean, bro. Feeling these little joints. Got a little orange on the toe cap and all that. A little black and white on the eyelets. Got some stitches right there. Oh, top of that tongue go crazy. Look at the top of the tongue right there. Oh, that's smoke. But yeah, man. Pretty cool. Let's get into the men's pack. Big mail call today, boy. I can't even believe they hit him with the paper and all, though. That's crazy. But yeah, let's get into the adult size real quick. Pull away boxes. I like the pull away boxes, so you can reuse them if need be. Got a little sticky right there. I kind of get jiggy with these. I just wish it didn't have that scam logo or let people know that, you know what I'm saying, you got some heat. Especially when this heat coming from MAISON CHATEAU ROUGE. You know what I'm saying? Sliding on out of the box. Oh, we got wings going down the box. Let's y'all get in there. Go ahead and get in there. That's hard. Check out the top. Size label read Air Jordan 2 Retro SP. Style code D05254-180. Cell Citron Post Orange, size 10.5. You know what I'm saying? All the goodness, all the goodness. Trying to see is it anything. Nope. Yep, that's it with the box. So yep, getting straight into it. Let's open them up. Try to get it so y'all can see too. Oh wow, look at the top of the box. Check out the top of the box. Y'all see that? Check that out. That look pretty cool. Got this paper, bro. This paper looks sick. United Youth International. Bunch of flags. Air Jordan with the ones on. And that dunk contest pose. Yeah. It's pretty impressive. Definitely glad I hit on this joint. Let me know if y'all hit or not. And woo. Oh man, these are nice. It feels so good to actually hit for retail. Nike's on the back of this one. Man, it feels so good to actually hit for retail. Got the laces, come with 3 sets of laces. They stringed up with the sale, but we got some orange, yellow, and black laces. We definitely gonna be dropping on-foot videos with all 3 of the different laces. MAISON CHATEAU ROUGE on the back of this one. That's nice. Love that touch on the tongue. We're gonna do a review, bro. This is just a mail call. Showing you what's up with them. All the particulars. Look at the box on the inside. Y'all see all that stuff. You know what I mean? Air Jordan Youth International stickers and stars and everything on the box. So yeah, when y'all get y'all hands on them, make sure y'all box look like this. Everything right. The packaging is amazing. Packaging phenomenal with the shoe. Sit that paper back in there. And man, we got the shoes, bro. We got the shoes, bro. Now I gotta hit y'all with a quick 360. This not like a whole full review. We'll say the review for another video, but let y'all get the mail call 360 review. Ooh, check them out. Keeper. I'm not trying to resell it on the shoe. I see it's a little bit of resale money on it, but nah, I ain't no resale. These all me, B. Don't think about it, don't even ask. Oh, and the inside set. Look at the inside. The inside satin. Luxury. Oh, peep the lace tips though. Y'all see the lace tips? Peep the lace tips though. That's crazy. And it got something cool on the inside. That insole. Oh. Can I get it out? Ah, it's glued in there super good. But I'm gonna get a picture of that. Like, that's the picture right there. I just wanted these gray panels 3M. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta get a picture real quick. Let's get one for the gram, bro. Let's get a flash on pic real quick. Uh-oh. Wow. See if this joint 3M. And we'll get one with the flash off. Let me turn the flash off real quick. Oh man, I love this shoe. I'm so happy I hit, dog. This joint fire. Let's see if they 3M or not. Nope, I don't think so. Maybe it'll pop more in the dark, but just right here with this with the phone and it being in the light, like, I don't think it's 3M. It didn't look like it from the pictures I posted, the flash and the non-flash, and both of them look exactly the same for real. But let me know what y'all think about the shoe, bro. Did you try for them? You know what I mean? Did you hit like me, or was you unsuccessful? I definitely wanted to make the mail call vid, because it's a lot of times when these shoes drop, we think the bots eat them up, and I don't be thinking real people actually hit. So yeah, my pair came from the sneakers out. I went for the draw like everybody else, and I actually got lucky, not only for myself, but my son too. You know what I'm saying? Me and Rooster gonna be stepping on these joints. So yep, y'all already know, on foot and all that coming soon. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, bro. Mob, peace.